Hello guys, hi Ranjit, all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ranjit's Karate Practice. And today I will show you some more important kicks that are useful for your self-defense and are useful in the karate fight. And these are very effective. So let's start the video. The first technique is hook kick, and this kick is by hooking the kick. Okay, and you can do this kick by the front leg or in your back leg and at the fighting position. Okay, like here in fighting position you can do this here, like in the front leg here. See, here first up, then kick, then back, then down. Here first up, kick, down, again lift, kick, back, down. Okay, and if you do this in the back leg, then do this like here. Okay, and this kick is done at the lower part of your leg or the feet. Okay, and you should dodge the kick. Okay, by here, and see this. Okay, see, I'm doing here, and then this means first this kick at the face of the enemy, this, then back it, then again back. See, this here, this. Okay, and you can do this kick at the fighting position or in the Zenko Sodachi. Okay, and this kick is very effective in the fighting or in the uh, self-defense technique or in the street fight. Okay, and now the next technique, the second technique is into out, and this kick is not useful or not allowed in the uh, kumite or in the karate fight, but you can do this in the street fight. And this is into out by like this here, into. Okay, and you turn your kick from inside to outside. Okay, see here, and in here, here. Okay, you can do this in both leg, in Zenko Sodachi or in fighting position, both here. And this kick is very much easy. Okay, and this kick is very much effective. Okay, and you can practice this kick for 20 times daily. And to do this kick betterly, you need to do stretching. Okay, and because if you do stretching properly, then you can do this or you can keep this at higher. Okay, like here. Okay, and you try to touch your thigh at your chest. Okay, see, at there. Okay, and you should not bend your leg like here, this, not, you should straight your leg here, this. Okay, and you can do this kick on the face of the enemy. Okay, this, the next technique is, the third technique is out to in, and this kick is the opposite of the in to out, means you should do this kick from outside to inside. Okay, see here at fighting position, this. Okay, see here, and in front leg here, in back leg here, and this kick is effective in street fight, and this kick is not also allowed in the karate kumite, okay, or karate fight. And you can do this kick on the face of the enemy, okay, like here the enemy is stand in my front, and what you will do here, uh, catch the neck of the or head of the enemy by one hand, and then this, okay. And you can try this by open this hand, like here, this, okay, and again in this, okay. You can do this kick on fighting position or in Zenko Sodachi, and you can practice this kick for 10 to 20 times daily, okay. And this, you can do this kick if someone caught your neck or caught something in front of you, okay, and then you can do this kick, like here someone caught, and then you can do this by this, okay. Means you can turn your leg over the hand, then he lift your collar, okay, see here, okay. Means if someone caught your collar or catch something in front of you, then you can do, and then you can do this kick over the hand, okay, like from here the kick is going and then turn over it, okay, and then he will lift your collar, okay, see this. And at that point you also can do the into out, okay, and into out is also an effective kick. So this much today. Thanks for watching. If you got something important kicks, then press the like icon and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.